Hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Sangeet YouTube channel. Today I am gonna make rainwater indicator, which is an indicator with alarm, and it indicates that the rain is coming. And it also use it as we can also use it as alarm overflow indicator, alarm overflow indicator. Okay. So the things you need is a buzzer, TFT 6 volt to 12 volt buzzer, 9V battery, 2 short screws, a box which is made two holes, here and here. Okay, so first take the 9V connector, take the negative wire and take the buzzer's negative wire and connect it. Okay, next take the 9V connector positive and take the short screw and connect it. Take the another screw and take the buzzer's positive. Now you need to put it at the two holes now. Okay, so now take the 9V battery and the 9V connector, and at the 9V battery you can see there is a plus, and a minus symbol. So this is a minus symbol and this is a plus symbol. Okay, so the 9V battery looks like this, and you need to just do the opposite, for it. Okay, done. Now it's connected. Now put the buzzer and the battery inside. And you have to close it. So it's done now, and now let's test it. So there's 2 screws on top. So it's working now. Now you can take it and put it at the floor, and if water comes, the power gets in. And I'll show you a sample of how it works. The bathroom now, and I'm keeping this upside down. Okay, now I'm putting this below. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Bye.